Many of you have asked me how to start your own business since I started selling my art. And now with Tedooo, I'm here to show you the simplest way to sell your art or your crafts. So what's Tedooo? Tedooo is an app that offers sellers 0% fees, which means you don't have to pay commissions for your sales. It's also the first social network dedicated and customized for the trade world that lets you buy, sell, and social with other artists and crafters. You may be thinking right now, this is probably going to be difficult to set up just like all the other applications, but it's not, and I'm here to show you. First thing to do is to download the Tedooo app on your phone. Once it's downloaded, you can sign up with your email and phone number or with Google, Apple, and Facebook. Now, you just have to pick your username, choose your interest, and set up your shop. Don't worry, I'll also show you how to set up your shop. It's only 4 steps. First step is to choose your shop name, categories, shop description, where you deliver to and what service you use to deliver with. Then you just choose where your customers can contact you. You can use your phone, email, or if you have an existing website, you can use that. Now the last step is to choose where your shop is located, and boom! You can now add your products, add your photo, the price, and a description, and here you go. Your business is made. Lastly, put a payment method so you can get paid, and congratulations! You now have an online shop. Wait for your shop to be approved, and it should be all good. Hope this will help some of you small artists, and thank you so much, Tedooo, for helping me out.